I'm Tim Mueller. I run Riverdog Farm along with about 50 other people here in Gwinda, California, Yolo County. We farm about 300 acres of mixed fruit, nuts, veg, livestock. We have hogs, lamb, poultry for eggs. All 300 acres are certified organic, and we have been since the early 90s. Yolo County has been a great place for us to farm because we get to grow year-round. We are always harvesting something, creates a stable work environment for the crew. And so without agricultural workers, there is no agriculture. I think that when people support farms like Riverdog, they are supporting a stable agricultural economy. They get to live full lives, and that makes the whole community stronger and safer. I love that I get to be outside in the rain and in the heat, and that I get to work with really dedicated farmers and farm workers who love what they do.